Well, got the motor and the rest of the pieces and parts covered up because I'm adapting my Hydro Boost and hydraulic clutch to the 67 pedals tonight. Basically just really simple, just put a few tabs on just to extend it so that the linkage arms will adapt, and it's simple, very simple. It's actually harder to get them out without taking the Hydro Boost or the brake booster bracket out. Oh, that was a fight. Took me about an hour, but I got it. And still waiting on parts, like I said. And I also adapted my come on, lead light. My lead light's starting to die. It's been on all afternoon. I adapted the 92 gas pedal onto this 72 cab, and the 72 cab, I'm catching on wires. Here we go. 72 cab has all these holes, which very conveniently the 92 pedal bracket mounted right up. And here's the right there. There's the cable for the throttle. And another extremely handy thing with the 72 cabs is this is where the old linkage came through for the 72, and I cut mine out for my 67 there. But right here is a square hole, and this basically clips right into it. There's just on the sides of the clip that holds it in, there's just a couple little tabs. Just hit it with a bench grinder or file or sheetrock knife, whatever. Knock them off, it'll snap right in. So, okay, well, that's the update for right now. I'll probably make another video later on tonight and just incorporate the two of them together. So, you gotta tighten that up. That's all tight. Get that back in, get my lead light charged up because I can't see a damn thing with it now. And what else can I do tonight? Clean, I guess. Maybe. Not. But, oh well. Well, I'd like to thank everybody for watching and everyone that's subscribing. Thank you very much.